tonight on Garage Time, we're going to show you how to replace the battery in your Volkswagen Key FOB. Okay, so grab your Key FOB. Make sure you have the same style as we're using here. There's two different styles. The earlier ones, they actually had blue in the emblem. This one, it's just your silver and black emblem. You can see it's two sides on the back here. We're actually going to be removing this side to access the battery. So what you do is turn it over, flip your key out, and push down on the back side. You heard it click there. Cap just pops off, accesses my battery, and you can see it's your standard. These are quite readily available. The 2032 battery. I have my nifty little screwdriver. There's actually a slot. Saw the key pop out. Pop in my new battery. And just push the clip back on. You'll hear it all clip back into place. Simple as that. Didn't have to go to the dealer. Battery's replaced. That was how you replace the battery on your Volkswagen Key FOB. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.